How to make your account into a vendor in the EVOKE Marketplace. Upon logging into your account, click on the Become a Seller option located above the dashboard. The Set Up Your Store button will appear in the center of your dashboard. Click on it. Click the Open Store button located at the bottom of the welcome message. The first thing you'll need to fill out is, how did you hear about us? In this step, you will need to select an option by clicking the circle next to your answer. Scroll down to see more options. Click Next to proceed. Next, select the box next to each option that represents areas where you may need help. Scroll down to find the Next button and click it when you're done. Account type refers to the classification of your account based on how you plan to use the platform. It helps determine which features and tools are available to you. Click the circle next to your chosen option. Click the Next button to proceed. Store details. This is the key pieces of information that define and personalize your online store. This information typically includes the store's name, description, logo, and sometimes the address or location. Enter your shop name. Under Store Preferences, click the drop-down menu to select your shop language. Click on the drop-down menu to select your shop's country. The process will be the same for selecting your shop's currency. Click Next to proceed. Stock your store. Adding products to your store is essential because it makes your store ready for customers to browse and purchase from. Click on the circle to choose whether your listing is a physical item or a digital item. Next, select the creator of this product by clicking on the circle next to your answer. The same process applies for selecting the type of product. Click on the drop-down menu to select the year your company was formed. Click Next to proceed. Payment. Set up payment methods to enable transactions in your store. Configuring payment methods is essential for allowing customers to complete their purchases. This involves selecting options like credit cards, PayPal, or other payment gateways. Without payment methods, your store can't process sales. Offering multiple options ensures a smooth, secure transaction process, which increases customer satisfaction and trust. Under How will you get paid, fill out your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Taxpayer details. This section requires you to provide information related to your tax status for your business. In this step, you'll need to enter all relevant details. This is crucial for ensuring your business complies with local tax regulations and properly reports income. Providing accurate taxpayer details is essential for legal and financial compliance, helping you avoid penalties and ensuring smooth operations when handling payments and taxes. Enter the name of the owner. You need to specify the percentage of ownership in your business. This is important for clear legal and financial records, helping with taxes, profit sharing, and business responsibilities. Accurate ownership details ensure compliance with regulations. You will be required to provide proof of your business's address. To do this, click on the drop-down menu to select the type of file you will upload as proof. Click on Select File to upload the document for the proof of your business's address. Enter your business tax ID number on the space provided. Add your Dun & Bradstreet number. Click on the drop-down menu to add your business industry. Specify how many years are you in the business. You will need to upload a valid ID of the manager or owner. To do this, click on the Choose File button and upload your file. Fill out the location of your business in the spaces provided. Make sure to complete this step as this is required. Lastly, indicate whether your billing address is the same as your taxpayer address by clicking the circle next to your choice. And your vendor account set up now. And that's how to make your account into a vendor in the EVOKE Marketplace. Thank you for watching.